Number 82 on the periodic table, symbol Pb, with a mass number of 207.2. Lead is one of the most overlooked elements on the periodic table. Now let's talk about a little of the structure of the element of lead. It is in period 6, as you can see, because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 energy levels, and on the outside it has 4 valence electrons, which means it is in group 14 because you just subtract the 1. Here are some of the compounds that lead makes. Right here you have lead oxide, lead nitrate, lead chloride, and lead bromide. There are also many others if you just look them up. Even though the element lead may not sound that cool, it has many admirable qualities. Lead is heavy but soft and also very malleable, which means it can be molded into many different shapes. Lead is also very good at blocking out radiation. This is why when you go to the doctor's office, you put on a lead vest to protect yourself from X-ray radiation. Speaking about the uses of lead, lead is used all around us, from our car batteries, to our bullets, even to our fishing weights. And I know that helps Jake, our salty crew member. Now to its discovery. Lead was discovered by ancient Romans in 7000 BC. They used it for many different things. They used lead for utensils, writing tablets, and even as a wine sweetener. That's crazy, knowing that lead is one of the most toxic metals on the periodic table. If you didn't know, lead is a very toxic metal, and sooner or later, if you digest any amount of it, you will become very, very sick. Lead has been believed to be one of the biggest reasons of the falling for the Roman Empire. This is because citizens and Roman leaders were having huge intakes of lead, which made them crazy. And crazy leaders means a broken empire. Over the years, lead hasn't just been a wine sweetener. In the 1900s, cars were having problems with engine knocking. But by adding a lead compound gasoline additive, this problem was fixed. But as we all know, because lead is such a toxic metal, it had to be removed in 1978 because cars were having lead come out of their exhaust. Currently in our country, we are facing a lead crisis. Heard of Flint, Michigan? If you haven't, people in Flint, Michigan are drinking water with lead in it because they are having water that is corroding their lead pipes. Because of this, thousands of young children in Flint will face brain problems in their future. Great job, USA! Now that you've heard all these interesting facts about lead, I'm sure you're convinced that is the best element on the periodic table. Go! Element number 82. Go. We season our food with salt, but that's just crazy to think that the Romans with compound additive this was fixed. Even corroded water that has lead in it. Because water